Corded Roman blind kit instructions. Tools required are a hacksaw, screwdriver, 6mm drill bit, drill, scissors. Trimming the headrail. Tool required is a hacksaw. Remove the headrail end cover. Trim the track with a fine hacksaw. Refit the end cover. Positioning the cord guides along the back of the headrail. To position the cord guides, push up, release catch A, slide to desired position, spaced equally and exactly above a row of loops on the tape. Lock by pressing the catch back down. Attaching blind to the headrail. Line up the blind loop tape with the hook tape on the headrail and press firmly to secure the blind in place. Cording the blind. For ease of assembling the headrail is pre-corded. With the split cord collector no less than 20 centimeters from the cord pulley and the blind laid flat, work from the blind top, where each cord will drop from the cord guides. Thread the cord vertically through the pocket tape. After the last row of pocket tape, thread a hook on cord toggle onto each cord. Using an upward motion as shown, thread the hook on the cord toggle into the last row of pocket tape. Do not allow the cords to become twisted. With the blind held in a level, vertical position, adjust the hook on cord toggles so that equal tension is held on each and they are level. Trim any excess cord at a distance of 4 centimeters from the hook on cord toggles. Do not knot the cords. Should the cords ever become detached, please ensure when replacing that they are aligned vertically and that the hook on cord toggles have equal tension on each and they are level. Fixing the wall support brackets. The brackets are designed for face or top fixing to frame, wall, or ceiling. Mark through the screw holes the position for the brackets, making sure they're level and in line. Check with the spirit level. Leave a gap of at least 2 centimeters between the end brackets and the end of the headrail to avoid clashing with the end cover and the cord lock. Also make sure the bracket positions will fall between the cord guides, with the brackets removed. Drill each bracket screw position using a 6mm drill bit. Fix brackets into place using screws provided. Check alignment and level as you go. Use the wall plugs provided for plaster and masonry walls. We recommend for plaster walls a wooden batten be secured first. Installing the finished Roman blind. Clip the finished Roman blind onto brackets by resting the headrail on the top arrowed position and pressing back until it rotates and clicks into place. To remove the headrail, depress and release the underneath catch. Installing the cord cleat. The cleat shall be installed as close to the headrail as possible, and in all cases, not less than 1.5 meters from the floor. Cut any excess cord and thread on the cord pull supplied, not to hold in place. Children can strangle if this safety device is not installed. Always use this device to keep cords or chains out of reach of children. Using the cord lock. To unlock the cords and allow the blind to rise and fall, angle the cord to the left and pull. To lock the blind in place, angle the cords to the right and release. Converting to left-hand draw. Remove the cord lock by unscrewing the retaining screw and sliding from the track with the attached cords. Slide and remove the end cover from the left side opposite end of the track. Slide the cord lock and the end cover into the track at the opposite ends from before. Screw the cord lock into place. Redress the cords through the cord guides from left to right. The cords are various lengths. Please ensure the longest cord is through the furthest cord guide from the cord lock, and the shortest nearest the cord lock. Make sure the cords do not become twisted, as this will inhibit the blind's function. CBA Split Cord Collector care. If the split cord collector becomes detached, simply press back into the closed position, making sure that the number of cords and cord positions correspond to the diagram opposite. Do not pull the cords back in a twisted position, and never allow the cords to become twisted when in use.